Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. And today I'm going to do an unboxing for you for our new LED lighting supply, HB8 1000-watt replacement high big. It's 310 watt, but it is wattage changeable down to 270 watt and 240 watts. So it gives you some real flexibility. Again, ideal for replacing a 1000 watt. It comes in a 100-277 unit, volt unit, which is what I'm showing you today, but it also comes in a high voltage unit. Sure. It also comes color changeable, so it supports 4K and 5K. Comes standard with, so when it comes, you do get an eye hook with it, which screws in here. It comes with an optic on it, but again, it also will come at high voltage. It is dimmable, so we find very rare cases where people do dimming it when they're replacing a 1000 watt, because it's a really ideal industrial fixture. We stock these. The competitive price, and there's also a motion sensor option with it, and there's also an EMB option that's also available with it. So feel free to give one of our lighting specialists a call. If you have a big facility, we can do a lighting plan to show you the light levels you're going to get, but it's really a great fixture. So give us a call today, and we'll look forward to hearing from you and giving you help picking the right solution. Have a great day.